Hey English 10, good morning or good afternoon or good whenever it is that you're watching this. This video is going to help walk you through completing your lorem ipsum assignment on a phone or tablet. I want to remind you that this assignment is way easier to do on a computer. So if you have the option to use a computer for like 10, 15 minutes, less than that even, just to complete this assignment, I highly recommend you do that. Otherwise, let's get started. It's going to be helpful if you have your lorem ipsum assignment sheet pulled up on the side or in another tab so you can flip back and forth if you need to. The first thing that I need, per my checklist, is the heading. To do that, I start on the very first line in my brand new document, and I would type the student's name. For the purposes of the assignment, I'm going to say my student is named Stu-dent. Then I hit enter just once, and I put my teacher's name. Then I hit once again, and I would put my class, in this case, English 10. And then I hit enter just once again. Now here is where I would put the due date. Pause this video if you need to. Go check your assignment sheet for the due date of your assignment. Seriously, check the due date. It's really important to put the due date here, not the date you worked on the assignment, but the due date. So let's pretend that my assignment was due on January 1st, 2025. I would write 1 January 2025. If this was due December 25th, 1997, I would write 25 December 1997. Very important, day, month, year, month spelled out, no commas, no dashes, no slashes, no anything. Now I have to move on to my title. To do that, I press enter once, and then I go to this icon here with the lines. It's called alignment. It might be down here at the bottom or at the top. But we're going to press alignment and then choose the second option that moves things to the center. And here is where I would type the title of my assignment. In this case, it's called lorem ipsum. No bold, no underline, no fancy font, just the title in the center. Then I hit enter again, and I go back here to alignment, and this time I move things back to the left. Now I need to go get my paragraphs because I'm not actually writing an essay. I'm getting filler paragraphs. For this assignment, to do that, I'm going to go to lipsum.com. This is also linked in the assignment sheet. lipsum.com. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, change this 5 to a 4 because I need 4 paragraphs, and then click generate. Now I have 4 paragraphs of random Latin words that I need to copy and paste. Oops. Come on, there we go. Copy. And paste. Now I have my paragraphs. A couple of things I need to do. I need to make sure that there's no extra spaces first I'm going to actually indent. So at the top of every paragraph, I need to indent by hitting space 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Now I need to get rid of these extra spaces between my paragraphs. To do that, I'm going to click into that extra space and click backspace. Click in that extra space, backspace. Click, backspace. Click, backspace. So that there's no extra spacing. Now my assignment sheet says that everything on the page has to be Times New Roman size 12. So I need to select my whole essay. And then I'm going to go to this symbol at the top. It's a little bit covered up, but it looks like an A with about 5 lines on it. This A with 5 lines. I need to select that and then change my font to Times New Roman and change my size to 12. Then I need to switch to paragraph and up my line spacing to 2. So now my heading, my title, and my paragraphs are all in Times New Roman, size 12, double spaced with no extra spacing. The last thing I need to do is add my header in the upper right-hand margin. To do that, I press the plus sign that's up here at the top, and I scroll down to page number. And then I choose the first option. The first option that has that 1 and 2. I click that and I can see I have a little 1 in the top of my first page and a little 2 in the top of my second page, which means that I'm doing well. But I need to have my first name my last name in front of the number 1. I'm not going to delete the number 1. If I do that, it'll mess everything up. But I'm going to take my finger and click in front of the 1 and write the student last name and a space. Now here's the part I know some of you are going to say you can't tell, but I promise I can tell the difference. That header is not in Times New Roman. So I need to select the last name and the page number, go back up to the A with 5 lines, and change that to Times New Roman 12 as well. Once I do that, I have everything I need. A heading, a header, a title, and 4 paragraphs of dummy filler text. The last thing I need to do is press check mark, name my document, and I am all set to go submit my lorem ipsum on Maxess. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns so we can work through it together. Look at that, less than 8 minutes to do that whole thing.